What is in the house?
What is in the house?
What is in the house?
Bed.
Okay, what do we do on the bed?
To sleep and sit.
How do we sleep? And sit? Oh, very good. How do you sleep? Oh, what is that noise you're making? What is that noise? What is that noise you're making, Rayansh? What is it?
I'm snoring.
You're snoring? Who snores like that? Does Rayansh snore while he's sleeping? Does Rayansh snore like that?
Yeah.
And does Appa snore like that? Does Mummy snore like that?
Yeah.
No, Mummy doesn't snore. Does Mummy snore?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, what else is what else is on your book? Can you see what's in the house?
Mirror.
Mirror. What do we do on the mirror?
You can see on the patient lead. This patient.
You see patient on the mirror?
It is quietly in the beach. How this the yellow mirror did this.
What? What is that gibberish you're saying? What do we do with the mirror? Do we look at ourselves in the mirror? Yeah? What can you see in the mirror if you look into it?
I look at patient.
Look at your face. Can you see your face? Yeah.
Body,
Okay.
sleep,
What is this?
the chair.
What do we do in the chair?
Sleep on the chair.
We sleep on the chair? Do we sleep on the chair? Is it good to sleep on the chair?
Yes.
Are you sure it's good to sleep on the chair?
Yes, 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 yes,
Oh.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay, okay.
yes.
Okay, good. Right.
Mommy's falling down.
Okay.
Take it.
Okay, you don't come and look here. If you